Hello students, welcome back to another video on the sqadia.com, and today what we are going to discuss is about cellular sites of drug action. So the targets of drug action include the endpoints where drugs usually bind to show their effects. We will discuss each of them thoroughly in this lecture. So basically, drugs are designed to have a selective influence on specific targets in the body to alleviate or eliminate symptoms of a condition. Eliminating means to eradicate the symptom completely, while alleviate means if you alleviate pain, suffering, or an unpleasant condition, you make it less intense, or you understand what I'm trying to say. This selectivity is achieved through the design of drugs that have a specific chemical structure and a molecular shape that allows them to interact with specific targets in the body. So we will discuss about enzymes, receptors, ion channels, transporters, DNA and RNA, metabolic pathways, signal transduction pathways, immune system proteins. This is gonna be so much interesting. Please be with me.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.